In today's video, I will share with you how to achieve success in your life with just a few simple steps. Step 1. Clarify your goals. The first step to success is to define your goals clearly. You must know exactly what you want in life and focus all your efforts on achieving it. Step 2. Discipline and consistency. Planning is important, but consistency is key. No matter how much you plan, if you don't take consistent action, success will remain out of reach. Stay committed to your tasks every day. Step 3. Positive mindset. Success starts with a positive mindset. The way you think shapes your reality. Stay optimistic, and your thoughts will guide you towards success. Step 4. Continuous learning. Keep learning and growing. Success comes to those who are always learning and evolving. Every day, try to learn something new, and it will bring you closer to your goals. If you follow these simple steps, you'll see how your life improves and how success becomes more achievable.